What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I got me a Switch controller, but at the same time you can use this on like the PC and stuff like that. So let's unbox this. This was sent to me by this company and they asked me to just test it out. So I have a Nintendo Switch right here. This is the OLED Splatoon 3 edition that I got. Have to charge it because it completely run out of battery. So let's unbox this, see if it works on that, and see how good this controller really is. You know, all these controllers, I feel like they all try to mimic somehow the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. And a lot of them actually, you know, are actually really good quality now. So I don't feel like you have to spend that much money on getting a Pro controller because there's so many options now. It's something like this right here where, I mean, I can already tell this thing has, you know, some side buttons right here that you can actually use. Pretty nice right there. Those are extra that like Pro controller doesn't have. And at the same time, you look at this dongle right here. This is what you're gonna use to plug into your PC and stuff like that to control it with the controller. So let's say if you're playing like Steam games or I guess Xbox Game Pass, if you have that, you can use this as well. So not just on the Switch. Actually, the funny thing is it has a little X on here. Make it look like an Xbox controller there. So USB-C, because obviously it comes with USB-C cords. Where is it at? Right here. USB-C cord right there. So you can plug in there. Joysticks feels good. It feels good. This is a bit louder than what I'm expecting. You hear that? But these back button right here feels good. This one has a little like bounce to it. So as soon as I press, there's some tactile feel to that. And these I really don't care all that much, but yeah, it feels good as well. The trigger button actually feels really good, by the way. It's got some little like texture on it, if you can see that right there. And it's got a little bounce to it. It feels okay on this one. There's a lot of tactile feel on these shoulder buttons right here. And of course, if you're using a lot of the D-pads to play like Street Fighters and stuff like that, it's okay. It's okay. Well, I think it needs to be broken into. But now that I'm pushing it around, yeah, it feels good. It feels good. You might be able to do, you know, Hadouken with this one. Fireballs, uppercuts. Very important that you can use the D-pad, because I usually use the D-pad to play Street Fighters. All right, so it says fine controller. You know what? I don't know if there's any batteries in here, so let's see here. I'm going to press this little button right here. See if it turns on. Okay, so the light is shining right there. All right, so on the screen right here, let's see here. Paired. So that's it. As soon as I press it, it pairs it. It knows. Press A when you're ready. So I got Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Shredder's Revenge. Let's see how it plays with this remote. By the way, this turns red. I'm not sure why. Maybe because I need to charge the battery. So don't know that yet. And usually red indicator means that low battery and stuff like that. So it's nice that they are showing you there. But I'm not sure if that's what that means though. I didn't realize you can play April O'Neil in this version right here. Nice. The grip is just like the Xbox controller. So if you use the Xbox controller, this is pretty much it. It's funny playing April O'Neil on here. Oh wow. Yeah, very responsive. She plays kind of like the turtles actually. Oh. I'm gonna set back here. Let's see if I can set this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the way I set the macro is that I hold this button down and then this thing blinks, right? So I go I do 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I press this button, and now it saved it. So when I press this button right here, watch this. So she does the combo for me. Pretty easy. That's pretty cool. All right, so I turn on turbo. So right now when I hold the Y button, she only punch once. If I hold down the turbo button right here and press Y, now it turns on turbo. So when I hold this Y down, that's turbo right there. Pretty cool. Anyway, all right guys, so that's it right there. That's the Switch controller right there that I'm gonna be using for this game. So pretty cool. Got turbo, got macro function, which I need. Gonna be great with Animal Crossing as well, I'm pretty sure. That's it for me. I'm out here.